Hello techies, and welcome back to another video. If you've ever wondered what Termux-API is, what it's used for, and how to use it, you've come to the right place. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. The Termux-API add-on gives command line access to device APIs. F-Droid or the Google Play Store are both good places to get the Termux-API add-on, but do not combine Termux and add-ons installs from Google Play and F-Droid. They are made available to you through these portals for your convenience. When combining installs from these internet sites, there are compatibility difficulties. This is due to the fact that each download website employs a unique key for key signing Termux and add-ons. You may install Termux-API and via the CLI by using the command package install Termux-API. Now let's see what we can do with this useful add-on. Termux battery status. Get the status of the device battery. Termux brightness. Set the screen brightness between 0 and 255. Termux call log. List call log history. Termux camera info. Get information about device cameras. Termux camera photo. Take a photo and save it to a file in JPEG format. Termux clipboard get the system clipboard text. Termux clipboard set. Set the system clipboard text. Termux contact list all contacts. Termux dialog. Show a text entry dialog. Termux download a resource using the system download manager. Termux fingerprint. Use fingerprint sensor on device to check for authentication. Termux infrared frequencies. Query the infrared transmitters supported carrier frequencies. Termux infrared transmit an infrared pattern. Termux job scheduler. Schedule a Termux script to run later or periodically. Termux location. Get the device location. Termux media player. Play media files. Termux media scanner interface. Make file changes visible to Android gallery. Termux microphone record. Recording using microphone on your device. Termux notification. Display a system notification. Termux notification remove a notification previously shown with Termux notification ID. Termux sensor. Get information about types of sensors as well as live data. Termux share a file specified as argument or the text received on STIN. Termux SMS list SMS. Messages. Termux SMS send a SMS message to the specified recipient numbers. Termux storage get request a file from the system and output it to the specified file. Termux telephony call a telephony number. Termux telephony cell info. Get information about all observed cell information from all radios on the device, including the primary and neighboring cells. Termux telephony device info. Get information about the telephony device. Termux toast. Show a transient pop-up notification. Termux torch. Toggle LED torch on device. Termux TTS engines. Get information about the available text-to-speech engines. Termux TTS speak text with a system text-to-speech engine. Termux USB, list or access USB devices. Termux vibrate the device. Termux volume, change volume of audio stream. Termux wallpaper, change wallpaper on your device. Termux Wi-Fi connection info, get information about the current Wi-Fi connection. Termux Wi-Fi enable, toggle Wi-Fi on off. Termux Wi-Fi scan info, get information about the last Wi-Fi scan. If you found this video informative and want to see more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe and like it. Stay cool, and thank you for watching.